So next we can see how we can draw the code tree. So in order to draw the code tree, we must know this table. Okay, so already we have find this table, that is for A state, the state transition is A and C. And what is the value of C1? C1 is I1 exclusive, I2 exclusive, I3. C2 is I1 and C3 is I1 exclusive, I2. So using that formula, we have find these values. Okay, so now we can draw the code tree. So for that, first there is two motion, one is upward motion and downward motion. So upward values are for 0 and downward values are for 1. Okay, upward and downward. So upward values are for 0 and downward values are for 1. Okay, so here the input, this value is for 0 and this value is for 1. Okay, so the input values, this value is for 0, this is 1. And this value is for 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, so now we can draw the code tree. So in order to draw the code tree, first is the state 1. Okay, so first state 1, what are the two states? A and C. Okay, first state is A and next state is C. So for A, what is the value? For A, what is the value? 0, 0, 0. Okay, the value is 0, 0, 0. And for C, what is the value? 1, 1, 1. Okay, so it is for the input 0 and it is for the input 1. Okay, and again A, from A, what are the transition? A இருந்து அடுத்து என்ன transition இருக்குது? திரும்பியும் AC தான். A தானே இருக்கு. So from A, again the transition is A and C. Okay, that is upward is for, so this is A and this is C. Okay, so it is for 0 and it is for 1 transition. Okay, so what is the value for A? A value is for 0, 0, 0 and B value is for 1, 1, 1. Okay. So this is state 2. Okay, state 1, state 2. And again, A transition. A is transistor to A and C. Okay, so from this also write A and C. Okay, so here also from A and C. So how many states are there? 4 states. Okay, so this is S2 and this is S3 and this is S4. Okay. And next see here what is the value C. So see this table. So C is for 0. Okay, so for 0 input, what is the value of C? So it is 1 input. Okay, and for C, so this is C. This is the state transition value C. So here for 0 input, what is the value? 0 input BD. Okay, C 0 input BD value. So here we are making the value from this one 0 input la then draw pannan. Okay, so you want to draw for 0 input. So here what is the value? B D. Okay, B D. And next here also what is the value? B D. Okay, here also B D. Okay. So totally there are 4 states. So this is state 2. So next state is here, state 4. Okay, B and D. So what is the value for B and D? That is BD for 0 transition. Okay, 1 0 1 and 0 1 0. So you want to write here so 1 0 1. Okay, 1 0 1 and 0 1 0. Okay, 0 1 0 here. Here 0 1 0 1. And next this BD also 1 here C 1 0 1 and here 0 1 0. Okay, so 1 0 1 and 0 1 0. Okay, so here B transition again, the B transition is AC. Okay, so for A and C, what is the value? Okay, so A and C, that is from C. Okay, sorry, B, that is from B. It goes to the transition A and C. So what is the value? 1 0 0 and here 0 1 1. Okay, 1 0 0 and 0 1 1. And here D transition. So what is the value? B value is 0 0 1 and 1 1 0. Okay, similarly, these are the one transition, totally state 4. Similarly, you want to draw for downward direction also for 1. Okay, so here 1, so what is the transition? C. Okay, C transition. So C means the value is B and D. Okay, the value is B and D. Okay, so here from C transition it is moving to B and D, and from B the transition it is moving to AC. Okay, and from A it is A from again it is AC. Okay, so now you want to mark all the values. So BD means what is the value? From C it is BD, so it is the value 101 010. Okay, and AC is from B. AC the value is 100,011. And next from A to AC, what is the value? 000,111. Okay, so for totally 4 state. Next, this is S2 state. So next state is S3 state. Okay, next state is S3 state, and here also S3. So there is one more state. Okay, that is S4. Here also one more state, that is S4. Okay, here also one more state, that is S4. Okay, so you want to write from D, what is the transition? B and D. B and D. Okay, so from C, what is the transition? Again here also B and D. So from B, what is the transition? A and C. Okay, from D, what is the transition? B and D. And you want to write the corresponding values. So these are the values which we obtain for the code tree. Okay, so now you want to write the 0 and 1's value. So it is the code tree. So now based on the question we are writing 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, 1 0 1